So this is what we're fitting on stairs. You can pick these up in Screwfix or Tool Station, I think. This one's from, I can't remember now, like a supermarket. Costco. And then you get them, we'll open it up in a minute. Allen key. So you get 3 poles. Let me get these out longer. 3 poles. Your instructions. And then can't get them out. Screws, plugs, your fittings. So these fittings here, you get 2 of them. See how they've got a full hole all the way through. They go on your ends, so they can just slide on. And then, this side, you get 2 more, and these are basically... Oh God, why do they make them so hard? Right, so these, see lip inside, so these are for your middle ones. So when you're joining 2 together, they slip in there. So you have to do a lot of cutting when you're setting out to get them in your, to get your centres. You've literally got to measure, and sometimes you'll have to cut like there to, you know, to get your bits. And then you have to buy the elbows separately, which we've got. Right, let's crack on. Right, look, so it says 805 from your stair to your rail, basically where you're going to be putting the what is it, basically middle of that, centre of that, and then it'll give you another 100 there, which will make it 900 in total. Only 200 in for this first one. That's this one with the hole straight through. 800. It says 805, but we're just going to go 800. Not bothered about 5mm. And that we'll go here, centre it up, get that straight. This is a false wall as well, so we are going to be using some plasterboard screws. Right, I've just tried these ones and it's just tore them up because that is fireboard. So we're going to use these ones, and then what they do is when you screw it in, they pinch back, they go like that inwards and pinch back at wall. So we're going to try these ones, see if these work. We need a bigger hole though. Hopefully that'll do. Squeeze them in like that to get them in, and then push them in. Oh yeah, that's good. Squeeze it in. There we go. Yeah, so put that on. Wow, that is a tight fit. That won't go anywhere. I'm just doing them slack, and then I'll tighten them up with hand one. Don't damage anything. Right, I'll nip it up with hand one. Right, that's the first pole. That'll go in like that. Probably put it that way. And then we'll just need to get this onto here. They're really tight, these, so I have got a pair of pliers to just nip these in. Tack it with hammer, they are really tight. but leaves a nice finish. Right, so we've got this on, and now we only have one on that can slide in, and that is for that end down there, because that'll go 200 back. So we have to use these ones. We've got two of these with the groove inside, which means we've got to cut that at 200. So that'll go like this, and then into there, and that'll give us that one. So we've got that cut, and then we've levelled this bar here to go down. So I'll just mark these up. These are all still slack at me, look. I haven't nipped them up with Allen key yet. We'll drill this one. I'm not nipping them up yet, I'll nip them up in a bit. So I'm going to finish my rail here. That'll go like that, finish there. So now we need to find a centre of this for his middle one, because we'll have to cut that pole and another pole. So we'll put it on top. And we have got 74 inch, so half of 74 will come down half of 74 to there. And that's what we want as the next one. Got one in, better get this bar in. There we go. Nearly forgot. Don't tighten it up without putting the bar in. I'll snip them up with this. There we go. This is the last piece of the jigsaw. I'll just tighten this one in so it holds it for now. Right, put that on. 200 back.
Looks like you need to go up about there.
There?
Looks about
Happy
right.
with that?
Yeah.
Slide that in. There we go. These are end caps, they just go on. I think they're quite tight as well. There we go. On the top, so it'll go in. Okay, so this is why I left the top one here, so you can see straight down, and then we can just get this and level it up. So if you want to tell me where to go.
Yeah, so you need to go inwards. It's like a tad. Whoa. Gone too far now. Yep, there, right there, yep.
That's why you do this piece last. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, I can't get this any further on, but this is a tip for you. So you can't hit this with an hammer because you'll damage the outside of it, but this end is going to get cut or it will get hidden by the sleeve that goes on it. So it doesn't matter about us damaging this end, and we can get that end to go on by just tapping this end. Can you see that? going on. Film me in a minute. Go back down to it. Tell me when it's on.
Touch more, mate. There you go. Oh, no. Yep.
And that's it. That's one way to get something tight on. Like, they use it for fitting handles on hammers, basically. You tap bottom up wood and it will put itself onto the shaft. That's how it's done. So that's it. Quite easy to do if you follow the instructions. I've done some more. Let's go to the top and work down for the outro. So this is the top. We're just missing a few brackets. So I've got a bracket to put on here. End caps, we're alright for end caps. This is into loft. And then we've got a corner here. And then we come straight and then down again. And I'm missing a bracket there and a bracket here. Which is on order. But yeah, if you put these corners in, you have got to go straight with them before you can drop again. No matter whether it's straight to there, you can drop it, or wherever you want, then drop. Otherwise, if you pulled this bar down, it starts to veer it in off your wall. So you've got to use a 90 and I think these are 45 or 35, something like that, the angled one, to drop down. So we've got this done. Like I say, we're missing brackets there. Come through here. That's the one that we've done. These look really smart. I like them. I think they're around £65 on average. You can get them from like B&Q, Tool Station, many places online. Wicks, I think, do them. But yeah. So down this one. And that's it. Really nice product, quite easy to fit. Just got to make sure you measure them all right. Right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.